Here's a sample code. First, we'll make the base of app bar in scaffold. As you can see, we got something there. Now it's time to add its title. Works like a charm. Let's center it by wrapping it in Center Widget. There you go! We can change its color by adding the syntax with an app bar brackets. Now let's change text color to white by adding syntax. We need to clean up the code. Add a comma at the end of every bracket and run Format Document. We can add buttons, icons in the app bar. For the left side, we'll always use leading. Now, obviously, we can change its color. We can also add a button icon on the right side. We'll use action to add right button. And of course, we can change its color. Thank you for watching. The source file's link will be available in the description.